Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX850 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX850 support. Best result should be from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX850. Go ahead and select that. And now you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the My Printer item in here and select download. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up to run it. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. And then you want to proceed with the installation setup here with selecting the correct country and region, as well as agreeing to the license terms. And then you can create a shortcut on your desktop if you choose. Select complete. And then hopefully you should be good at this point. If you're still having a problem, you can launch that application and then selecting diagnose and repair printer. You would have the ability to then try and do additional troubleshooting steps to get that resolved. But hopefully you were able to get it taken care of with what I showed in the first part of the tutorial. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.